Hey guys, Sam on Real Estate and Finance here in another video, and I wanted to talk to you guys about new construction. And if you're buying new construction, should you use the builder's lender or find your own lender? Here's what I say to that. I would say pit them against each other. Make them compete for your business. That's what you really should be doing. Now, obviously, if you go with the builder's lender, they're going to have a lot of incentives. They're going to pay for part of your closing costs. They may give you some additional funds to do things in the house. So they're going to give you a lot of incentives, but all that's built in already. So you're going to have to weigh what works best for you. Now, they're going to give you all these incentives, but the cost of the loan may be a little pricey. And you may have a higher interest rate than if you went with somebody else. Now, if you went with someone else, you may not get all those incentives, but the loan may be cheaper over the life of the loan. So these are things you're gonna have to weigh out. I would say you put them side by side. You don't have to go with the builder's lender. People think you have to go with the builder's lender. You don't have to. But it is attractive, and they do kind of steer you in that direction of using their lender versus finding your own lender. So you want to use the two. You want to have them to compete against each other, and then you want to find out which terms are the best. Obviously, you want to go with the best terms that works for you, and don't romanticize too much about the incentives that they're going to give you and all the bells and whistles. All that's great, but look at the terms. Are the terms favorable? Is this loan going to cost you more over the life of the loan? So those are things to consider. Basically, at the end of the day, you just want to make sure that the terms are favorable to you, despite all the things that the builder's lender may give you. Will that work to your benefit? So always shop around, get the best terms, and don't be swayed by, we're going to put in a new hardwood kitchen floor. We're going to put in new cabinets for you. We're going to pay $10,000 towards your closing costs. Don't get swayed by that, because those are short-term things that look great in the short term, but in the long term, over the life of the loan, it may cost you more. So that's just something to think about. Anyway, if you guys have questions about that topic, either using the builder's lender or versus going out and getting your own, definitely hit me up in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. I'll see you guys on the next one.